Okay, if you're a brand new customer and you've never placed an order with me, you can either call me and I can walk you through it, or you can go to orders.propertytour.site/storefront. And you'll come up with a page just like this. There will be instructions here in the box. The ones that we're concerned with is don't have an account, create one using the sign up link below. If you look down here, you will find don't have an account, sign up. Go ahead and click it. Here it's going to ask you for your first and last name. Let's go ahead and fill this out. Joe. All right, then click next. Please check your email to get the verification code we just sent you. Verification code. So you're going to go to your email account. There it is. Verify your email. The code is right here. Copy it. Paste it. And you will see the entrance to the shopping cart. Now, what first thing you're looking at, it's going to ask you, what is the service address? Meaning, what is the property address that you're going to have me shoot for you? You'll put it here. It will find the information from Google and fill it in. Notice you're up here. You're on addresses. Next, we're going to go to details. We're going to click continue. This Google map is only for verification, to verify that the address that you put in, this is the verified location of it. So I'm going to make it full screen. And you can turn it into a satellite if you'd like by clicking up here. And of course, you can zoom in on it. And I know for a fact that this is incorrect. So we're going to go ahead and move this right here just to verify it. Upper right corner, click confirm, just to make sure that your location is correct based on the address you've provided, because that's the address I'm going to be going to shoot. This additional details, or right here, step 2, is optional but very helpful to me. So if you know the information, please provide it. Look at it, it says property type. If you click the down arrow, you have choices. Single family, let's choose. Property details, vacant or is it a new construction? We're going to say it's vacant. MLS number, size in square feet, lot size, and the listing price, and any special instructions. Click continue. Now we're on services. These are my main service packages. Each package has add-ons, optional add-ons, but you won't be able to see them until the next step. You have to select a package. How do you know what package you've selected? Let's just go with the deluxe residential real estate photography package in this case. You can see more information about it here, and you'll even see links to actual examples. View a free property display website, because you get one. So if you click there, the point is every single package has add-ons, and it also has, if you click view more, it's going to have examples for you to see. It's going to have descriptions and examples. So read the screens. You should be fine. I'm going to select this. You can tell it's selected because it turns blue. Come down to the bottom, click continue. Now we're going to see the optional add-ons. Read them right up here at the top of the page. Add-ons. Choose any of our add-ons. Do you have to choose any? No, not at all. You can just go with what you just did. You purchased a photography package with up to 25 photos and just leave it at that. But let's say you need some additional photos, additional HDR images right over here. Aerial drone photo add-on right here. You can select, and again, where it says view more, you can learn more about exactly what that is. It's very descriptive. Need some more professional HDR images? Choose as many as you like. Okay, let's click here. Give me another 3. Click. Notice it's blue. That's how you can tell it's selected. Click select. Whoops, now it's deselected. There you go. Now it's blue. Click continue. There's the resulting order. All right. So you can choose to check out, or you can choose to pay later. Pay later means I shoot it and then show you samples of your images, and if you approve of them and pay your invoice, you pay it then. So really, there's no risk. It's built right in. I guarantee your satisfaction because you won't pay me unless you're happy with the work. And this is built right into my checkout, my shopping cart. Or if we've done business before and you trust me, just click checkout and pay for it now. But I just wanted to show you a real quick video. If you've never ordered with me, how you can use my shopping cart, set up an account for yourself, and order. I will be notified, and I will call you. I won't move very much forward unless I've actually spoken to you and clarified your order and confirmed it. One more thing I want you to notice is that when you get to the point that you just got to, I accidentally backspaced, so you'll notice Joe Schmo. You're in your account. And if you click on orders, even before you finish ordering, it's going to take you in to your account. Going to show you there's no orders because you didn't finish the order process, but you'll see that you have a dashboard here. Welcome, Joe Schmo. And on your dashboard, you'll see announcements. This will teach you how to use the system, so this is important to review this. It will show you any orders. Each property is identified by an order because you placed an order to have it shot. And then it'll have your settings up here. And this is where you put information about yourself, and which will eventually show up on your property website. If you click company, we're under profile right now. Up here, you can put information in about your company. Payment methods. It's optional, but you can store a payment method, so for future orders you don't have to re-enter everything. And again, now you understand why I made sure that we were behind a secure firewall SSL certificate in case you decide to do that. And all your controls of each property and such will be in here once you have properties and you have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and click log out. And that's basically in a nutshell how to use my shopping cart for new customers. Thanks for watching.